Hello, hi, namaskara. I'm Rishabh Chatterjee, and in this video I wanted to share an incident that I came across on social media. Now I'm not sure the incident happened with which person exactly, I couldn't find the source. In this video I'll share the few pictures and one of the videos that was shared by the person who met with the accident. And let me just show you the pictures now. So as you can see, the Baleno has quite a major impact in the front. The bumpers, the front bonnet, the front grill, everything has been quite badly damaged, whereas you see the auto rickshaw has not seen that major of a damage. You can see the base, like the bumper part, the bottom part of the auto rickshaw is damaged, but comparatively the Baleno has been damaged more. Now let me show you the video of exactly what happened, and as the video is running, let me share with you what's happening. So the Baleno is coming at quite a good pace. Normally, like I think it looks like 70-80 kmph on the highway, and suddenly you will see the auto rickshaw from the right. It comes directly from the right lane to the left lane. Now what the driver thought was that it'll come from the right and stay on the right, and the Baleno will pass through the left lane. But the auto rickshaw driver, I don't think noticed the Baleno. I don't know, he was not like, they didn't actually like think what the Baleno driver will do, and was busy in his own thoughts. So the auto rickshaw driver from the right lane directly went to the left lane, and the Baleno, like, by the time he understood that the auto rickshaw is going to the left, everything was over, and he hit so badly that you can see the passengers in the auto rickshaw, like they almost fell out of the auto rickshaw. One of the guy also fell on the road, and it was quite scary. And you can see that people then afterwards helping them. So exactly what went wrong here, because I have been in a similar situation, and the reason of sharing this video is that when this thing happened with me, the camera was not in the normal mode, it was in a time-lapse mode. So even though I posted the video, but most of you couldn't get the exactly what happened because we are not captured that properly. In this video you can clearly see exactly how the things went and what went wrong. So first you can see auto rickshaw driver from right lane directly he went to the left lane without even seeing back whether cars are coming or not. Second thing, I'll say the Baleno driver, this is something like depends on driver to driver, because if you see, mistake was auto rickshaw drivers. Now Baleno applied brakes, but there was no chance, it was just too close and he hit. But similar situation I had come across when in my case what had happened is that I was driving the I-20 and the trucks as usual on the highway go on the right lane. So I was overtaking from the left side, because trucks won't come to the left. I was overtaking from the left side. So it was a straight stretch of road, and I could see one Baleno from side road. It was entering the highway. So I thought it will join the highway and be on the left lane. So I was coming from the left side. I overtook the trucks and I was going to the right side. Then suddenly I noticed the Baleno, instead of staying on the right lane, comes up to the right, instead of staying on the left lane, comes up to the right lane. And I was like shocked, like what is this guy doing? I was going at a pretty good pace, because I never thought that Baleno will come on the right side. It'll come slowly, enter the road and keep on going on the left. To my surprise, it suddenly started coming to the right. I applied brakes, but no panic braking, because my vision is on the Baleno, what that driver is doing. If he went to the right, I was catching my steering wheel firmly, legs on the brake but not too much, and I'll just show you that video, but it's in time-lapse mode so you can't see that properly. So I swerved to the left and went past the Baleno pretty slowly, only because I pressed the brakes. But if I was behind that car, I would have hit him. Definitely I would have hit him. Because I went to the left, that's why I got saved. And the Baleno driver on the other hand, this time the one who made the mistake, not the one that I showed you, he was clueless that I was coming. He was like, what happened? Why you are honking? Why are you looking at me? What did I do wrong? See, he didn't even know what his mistake was. So I think similarly in this first case too, the auto rickshaw driver didn't even bother to see back what was happening. He aram say, like, he's riding in a town, driving auto in a town. He came, joined the road, and busy from right lane is going to the left lane. I should drive in the left side. Didn't even bother to notice back. So something like this can happen to you too. So my suggestion would be, if you can see something like vehicle who is coming from side lane and joining the main road, better to slow down. If not, it's very difficult. See, now I'll tell that you can slow down, you slow down. But suppose you are doing a 500-kilometer trip and there are like always after some 10 kilometers, 12 kilometers, 50 kilometers, always there is a lane. How many times will you stop? It just does not make once, twice, thrice. But again and again stopping just becomes like too much irritating. So my suggestion, concentration level high. If by chance something happens, be ready to take the space wherever available to avoid the impact. Otherwise, worst case is what you saw happen. Now Baleno comes with airbags and with ABS too, but still it couldn't stop. But airbags will save the passenger. On the other hand, auto rickshaw driver and the passengers in the auto rickshaw, luckily nothing much happened. But if major something would have happened, they wouldn't have been that lucky. And also, some of you might comment that build quality of Maruti Suzuki, build quality of Baleno is not good. We know it's not that good, but in this case you can't really judge, because any car coming from back, maybe the impact would have been less, maybe it wouldn't have been this much major, but it would have been like the car would have sustained more damages than the rickshaw. So anyways, that was a small information that I wanted to share, and let me know your comments in the comment section below. What do you want to share, your point of view? And yeah, drive safe, always concentrate and look out for anything that might go wrong. Drive safely. Share this video, like this video if you feel that your friends who are drivers should know about incidents like this. And yeah, this is Rishabh signing off, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.